Welcome back to Infinite Possibilities of You, and thank you for being here today. I'm truly grateful that you've joined me because this video is about one of the most powerful truths in personal growth. Your brain is not fixed. You can literally rewire your brain for success. And today, I'll show you how. Most people believe they're stuck with the brain they were born with, their habits, their patterns, their way of thinking. But neuroscience proves something incredible. Your brain is constantly changing. Every thought, every habit, every action is shaping new connections. The difference between someone stuck in fear and someone thriving in success isn't talent, it's wiring. And the best news? You can rewire yours. Your brain is like clay, always being molded. Scientists call this neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. When you learn a new skill, practice a habit, or think a new thought, you're physically reshaping your brain. For example, London taxi drivers develop a larger hippocampus from memorizing city maps. Musicians grow stronger connections in areas linked to coordination and rhythm. The takeaway: you're not stuck. You can literally train your brain to think like a successful person. Think of your brain like a field of grass. Each thought or action is like walking across it. The first time, it's hard, but repeat it enough and you create a path. Eventually, it becomes a road. That's what habits are. Neural highways. Bad habits are well-paved roads that feel automatic. Good habits are paths you must intentionally carve. The secret: repetition. The more you walk the new path, the stronger it becomes, until one day it's your default. That's why consistency isn't just discipline, it's brain training. The brain listens to your thoughts. Negative self-talk builds pathways of doubt. Positive focus builds pathways of confidence. High achievers rewire their brain by controlling their inner dialogue. They use visualization. Athletes rehearse winning in their minds, strengthening the same neural circuits as physical practice. Affirmations. Repeating empowering statements daily rewires belief. Journaling. Writing down goals and progress signals to the brain what matters. For example, studies show that visualizing lifting weights actually strengthens muscle fibers. Not as much as lifting, but significantly. That's the power of the mind-body connection. Your brain responds to triggers around you. If your phone is by your bed, you'll scroll. If junk food is on the counter, you'll eat it. If books are on your desk, you'll read. Neuroscience calls this cue-dependent behavior. Want to rewire your brain for focus? Change your environment. Put your goals where you can see them. Remove distractions from your workspace. Surround yourself with people who reinforce the identity you want. Your environment is not neutral. It's shaping your wiring every day. Gratitude isn't just a feel-good exercise. It literally changes the brain. Studies from UC Davis show gratitude increases dopamine and serotonin, the brain's happiness chemicals. Over time, the brain becomes wired to see abundance instead of scarcity. Focus works the same way. When you give attention to one thing, the brain strengthens the circuits that support it. Multitasking, on the other hand, weakens focus. Daily practice. Write 3 things you're grateful for. Block 25 minutes for deep focus using the Pomodoro method. Celebrate small wins. They train the brain to expect success. Here's your roadmap. Identify limiting beliefs. Write down the negative patterns holding you back. Replace them. Craft new empowering thoughts to repeat daily. Build small habits. Walk the new path every day, even if it's just 2 minutes. Shape your environment. Design triggers that make success automatic. Practice gratitude and focus. Wire your brain to see possibility and stick to priorities. Over weeks and months, your brain literally changes. You become someone who naturally thinks and acts like the person you want to be. So let's review. Your brain is plastic, always changing. Habits carve neural highways. Thoughts shape wiring, visualization, affirmations, journaling. Environment and cues matter. Gratitude and focus literally rewire the brain for positivity and productivity. You're not stuck with the brain you have. You're building the brain you want. If you made it to the end, thank you for watching. I'm grateful you invested this time in yourself, because the very act of learning this is part of rewiring your brain for growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. And in our next video, we'll talk about how to stay focused in a distracted world, practical tools to protect your attention and maximize your productivity. See you there.